Understanding Block Cipher, a simple guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the term block cipher in English. This phrase is commonly used in the field of computer science, especially in cryptography. Whether you're a language learner, a tech enthusiast, or just curious, this video will help you understand what a block cipher is in a simple and clear way. Let's dive in. Before we delve into block ciphers, it's important to understand what a cipher is. A cipher is a method for encrypting or hiding information. Encryption is like a secret code that transforms readable data, known as plain text, into a coded form, known as ciphertext. This process ensures that only authorized people can understand the information. In a block cipher, data is divided into fixed-size blocks. Think of these blocks like puzzle pieces or bricks. Each block is usually of a set size, like 64 or 128 bits. This means the cipher works on chunks of data one at a time, rather than bit by bit. Now, let's talk about how a block cipher works. It takes each data block and applies a key. A key is like a secret password that determines how the cipher will transform the data. The block cipher mixes the data and the key together using a series of steps known as an algorithm. The result is a block of encrypted data. Block ciphers are vital in digital security. They're used in various applications like securing emails, files, and even entire hard drives. Block ciphers help in keeping our digital information safe from unauthorized access. I hope this video has helped clarify what a block cipher is and why it's important. Remember, a block cipher is a way of encrypting data in fixed-size blocks using a key. It's a fundamental concept in digital security, helping to protect our online information. Thanks for watching, and keep learning.